Real estate for me is so much more than just a transaction. It's about building a relationship and trust with someone, making them feel comfortable with you, that if we walk into a property, I want you to be able to look at something and be like, I don't like that. I want you to have that comfortability with me. It's also about going above and beyond for each client. Every client is different and has different needs, and being able to adapt and know what the client wants and what they need to be able to accomplish their dream home and what they are looking for. I had a client who I knew from high school. They were searching for a beauty bar, and they finally came to me looking for a spot, and it was, months and months of going back and forth, finding the correct spot, negotiating those prices, making sure that I had the client's best protection in that contract. And after many months of going back and forth and losing the deal, fighting and getting the deal back, we were able to close, and she is now the proud owner of a beauty bar. This is their investment, this is their money that they can't wait to start something up. It's their dream to open this nail salon. I felt extremely proud and accomplished because it was also sentimental to me, because I had known this person from high school as well, and watching them fulfill their dreams just makes me so much happier. My name is Sam, and I'm here to help you find your spot.